Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mamimakeup with Alexa. Today I'm going to be doing a purple and gold look. I call my royal look. Yeah, let's get started. We're going to start with our Garnier Micellar mineral oil to clean my face off of any soap that I have left on my face or anything after I wash my face. Same thing with any makeup that I may have had on my face, which I'm pretty sure I didn't have just because I didn't wear any makeup before I did this video. Better safe than sorry. So, yeah. So now we're gonna do our eyebrows, and I'm using the MAC brow gel and Deep Brunette, and then I also got like this eyebrow brush with a spoolie from Amazon for like, I want to say $5, something like that. It was really cheap. I got like 2 of them. Oh yeah, so maybe there were 7 or 6 because I got 2 of them for like 14 something in total, and they're awesome. I mean, as far as eyebrow brushes go, they're pretty cool. So what I'm doing is I'm just like kind of flicking the brush out to make like hair, to imitate the hair. And you don't want to put too much product on your eyebrow because you don't want to have a really dark eyebrow where it just looks like paint on there. You know, you're just kind of just filling it in to just give it that more defined look. With my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, number 25 in medium. We're going to attempt to put it under the eye first. And I don't really like to do over the eye concealer, eyebrow concealer, just because it doesn't look as natural from what I've heard from some, feedback. So I'm trying to learn how to, make the eyebrows look as natural as possible. So we're not gonna put concealer on top of the eyebrow, at least not from the beginning of the eyebrow to the end. We're just gonna start off at the edge, kind of like where that angle starts. We're gonna put a little bit concealer right there just to get that really arched eyebrow and make sure that it's on point, like the end is on point. So for our base, for the eyes, I like to use MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. This is to use for our eyes, for our eyeshadow to go on nice and smoothly. I'm actually looking into using something else, so I'm also going to be trying to look into using concealer as my base for my eyeshadow, just because like I feel like my paint pot is just not working for me anymore. I don't know, I just feel like it just doesn't help. So I'm definitely going to be trying something different. Now I am applying the base eyeshadow, and I like to use like a color that is, you know, kind of, I don't want to say close to my skin tone, because you still want to use something that's lighter, just to apply, especially if you're doing color. You want to use a lighter base eyeshadow so that you can apply that color on with more impact. Because when you draw on paper, you draw on white paper so that the color pops. Yeah. Now for like my crease color and base, I use the Morphe Single Shadows and Seduction. Honestly, I thought it would be more of a burgundy than a purple. So it definitely came out different than what I expected, but nonetheless, I still like the end result of how everything came out. I do feel like I could have packed it on a little harder, but I'm still learning. So this is a process. It's a process. So now for my lid color, I'm going to use the Morphe Brushes Single Shadow in Grape Day. Okay, go. Say what you gotta say. But yeah, so we're going to pat that on my eye. If you guys can if you guys know any tips of how you can make that eyeshadow pop on the eyelid, can you guys let me know? Because I've been looking at videos, and I don't know, for some reason the finger thing doesn't, you put your finger in the shadow and try to put it on your eye with your finger. That doesn't really work for me. I don't know why. So yeah, let me know any tips you guys have. Same thing with wetting my brush. That sometimes ends up in a fail. So, like I said, if you guys have any other tips in those, let me know in the comments below. Cause yeah, it's like I said before, it's a learning process. So, yeah. Now it's time for some eyeliner. I love to use the M Cosmetics liner. I got it in my Ipsy bag last year, and it's one of the only liners that I love to use all the time. I just think that pen eyeliners are the best for precision wise, and getting that perfect wing. But I mean, in this video I'm not doing a wing, so right now I'm just basically outlining my eye, the top of my eye. I don't do the bottom of my eye where the waterline is, just because like I have almond shaped eyes and I wasn't looking for a cat eye look, so that's not something that I wanted to do today. With the Morphe Brushes Single Shadows in Crystal, I'm going to do the inner eye, like highlighter type thing to give it a pop. This is another kind of method that I really need to learn and perfect, is learning how to put it in the, you know, in the inner part of my eye and like really just get it to pop, because I don't think it popped for me. You know, it just didn't do anything for me in this makeup look. And it kind of pissed me off because like there's just so many things that I know I need to work on, but at the same time you gotta start somewhere. So now I'm applying my lashes, my lovely lashes in Style Rose from Mo Lashes. You can just go to molashes.com. That's her website. She's an upcoming lash company and she's amazing. Honestly, these lashes are my favorite because they're just so fluffy, and to me they're very lightweight, and they just don't, you know how like on your eye when you wear lashes sometimes it feels heavy and like you can't see for some reason. Like for me, like it feels like I can't see because my lashes are so long. But with these, they're easy to get used to, and like I said, they're just so fluffy and really easy to apply. Like I just apply my lashes with my fingers. I don't even need to use a lash applicator, just because like they're really easy to apply. But yeah, I love them. I try to use them all the time. I'm trying to get the most looks out of them. So yeah. So I prime my face and everything, so I can apply my foundation. I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now, here's the problem with when I apply this foundation. Okay, Lula. I didn't mix usually I mix my foundation so that it gets to be my true color. I don't know, I was just lazy that day when I did this look. So that's why it just came out so light and pale. It did not. This color did not suit me. You know, I don't like that kind of like brightened face look. I don't know. I don't like it. But I mean, I was just being lazy. I just need to stop being lazy. But for my face, I always just use Maybelline because one, it's affordable, and two, their stuff is actually really good. Like, it lasts a long time. I get a good wear out of it, like basically the whole day. Now, I did do this look at night, so I didn't really wear it for a long period of time. Heck, I don't even think I wore it more than an hour. But usually when I wear Maybelline's foundation and their setting powder, I'm like set for the whole day, and it's amazing. So shout out to Maybelline for all like their good products or whatever, and their affordable prices. Honestly, this is like probably one of my favorite parts of doing makeup, the contouring part. So I like to use the Morphe Brushes 8H Hi-Fi Sculpt and Shimmer Sculpted Shimmer palette, just because I really wanted to get into powders for my contouring. Oh my god, I put so much on my face. Guys, don't do this. Don't put too much on your face, because if you're a dummy like me, you're gonna be ending up trying to fix that, and it's just, yeah, there were just so many problems with this look. Oh my god. But I mean, I guess as artists, we critique our work all the time. So yeah, I mean, what other people might think it looks okay, and for me, it's just, this is just not okay. This is not okay. You see, I'm trying to fix it with some damn powder, with some setting powder. But yeah, I do love the Morphe Have I Sculpt Shimmer palette. It's I don't know, I really like getting into the powders of makeup. And then I also use the highlighter in that palette. I don't know what color that is, honestly, so I can't really tell you guys. But for real, I kind of don't like the highlighter. Like, I don't feel like it popped for me. So yeah, I gotta look into some other highlighters, but yeah. Alrighty, so this is the finished look of the royal look. Like I said, there's just so many things I could have done differently, but hey, it's a learning process. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I have more videos coming to you guys soon. So be on the lookout and hit that alert button, alright? Love you guys. Mwah.